periodic monthly statement, it provides the ability to make periodic duty payments on an interest-free monthly basis. It's still based off of your release date, and the importer will continue to receive those daily statements as an ACH. However, you don't have to pay them until the monthly statement is processed. So preliminary statements, PMS statements print on the 11th workday of the following month, and the finals print on the 15th workday. So for example, you have an example in here, shipments that release in May 2019 won't be paid until the June 2019 PMS statement. So you're always going to be paying your monthly statement the following month after it releases. So we've got some examples of what a daily statement looks like versus a periodic monthly statement. So up in the top corner there, you can see your statement number on your daily is at 451822-504E. So this shows you your entry numbers, your estimated duty and taxes that will be owed, and your total amount. So then on the 11th workday of the following month, you will get your PMS statement. So this is going to list every single one of your periodic daily statements. So you'll be able to see there below that same statement number with the same duty amount and taxes down below. So you can tie them all back.
So the main difference is that your daily statement gives you entry detail. So if you have multiple entries, they'll all be listed on that daily statement, and then you'll have a total amount due for the daily statement. On the periodic monthly statement, it's basically only lists the statement number and the total amount that was due for that daily statement that printed 2 to 4 weeks ago. So one is very detailed and the other is just literally a statement number and an amount.